So my name's Benjamin.
I'm Alejandro Vega, and this is the Benjamin, Alejandro,
Taco.
and Sandra.
Taco.
Not here right now, but taco cooking show.
We got this wonderful meat.
Yeah, that we. Just saying, this was all provided by
Sandra.
the wonderful Sandra Della Riva.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna show you how to cook tacos.
yep.
And then first you're gonna need these.
Second off, we're gonna need sour cream. Sour cream. Sour cream. Sour cream. Sour cream. Third off, our healthy, yummy vegetable cilantro. Fourth off, your Mexican favorite salsa roja. Fifth off, your traditional tortilla, or also known as tortilla. Fifth off, your traditional tortilla, also known as tortilla. Last but not least, your big man meat. Wait, what's this meat called? El Pastor.
Welcome to the cooking show. Now to start preparing all the key ingredients. First off, we're gonna start with our carne al pastor. And what we're gonna do is just grab this big boy and just freaking throw it in there. That did not end well, Lee. Grab your nice handy spatula. And just go serial killer on this. And dude, where did my hat go? Oh. Chef's hat, it's a necessity in the kitchen. So as we let this cook, just make sure to set your spatula aside. You don't want that getting burned in the heavy heat metal. So now we're going to start off with our tablespoon of cilantro. This will be equivalent to at least 4 little stems of your cilantro. Cilantro is very easy to find. You can find it at your everyday grocery store. It's a cute little nice green, nice smelly tasty thing. Anyways, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your cutting board, get your handy dandy knife. Make sure there's adult supervision. Ben, is your mom over there?
Yeah.
Adult supervision. What you're gonna want to do is, start cutting these off because you don't really need these. And you're gonna start grabbing, bend them, and just chop away, man. Chop like Jason from Friday the 13th. You know, it's his happy day. Okay, that was a very bad joke. Anyways, so here you go, about, a tablespoon of cilantro. Nice handy dandy. Now we just want to scoop it up. Just pack all this into your little tablespoon measurements. There you go. About a tablespoon of cilantro. It's obviously not a liquid, so it won't easily fit into that tablespoon, but it's about a tablespoon. Next, we're gonna move on to our Mexican style blend cheese. Here we got about 4 cheeses. We have Monterey Jack, medium cheddar, queso, quesadilla, and asadero cheese. Excuse my pronunciation. I'm as American as it gets. So, yeah. So with this, you're also going to want to start out with another tablespoon of cheese. Scoop about a tablespoon. Get your other tablespoon. Also, I just want to let you know that you also have to be very hygienic and wash your hands. My hands were washed already as we're preparing this dish, so this should always be done before cooking your meat and other things that you are going to be touching with your hand. A teaspoon of sour cream. So what you're gonna want to do is just, you know, feel
Like
the
I'm taking from a G.
feel the
All she
motions.
tryna do is get naked,
Feel the
naked,
motions.
naked. And she gon' shake it like a red nose, like a red nose. And she gon' shake it like a red nose, like a.
Believe it or not, I felt it. 1 teaspoon of sour cream. Now you're gonna want another teaspoon of your salsa roja. It's so intense. My mustache is coming off. Ignore that happening. But I don't know why I put this back on, but what you want to do is get your teaspoon measurement, scoop it up, place it down. Now, you're gonna want to get your handy dandy tortillas. You know, any type of tortilla is fine as long as it's a tortilla. So what you gonna want to do, light up your pan or any other type of tortilla heating mechanical stuff. Make sure your plastics are out of the way. And you're gonna want to turn the heat up on this sucker. Always move these handles away. You never want little kids grabbing and touching them. Or you as yourself, I don't know, maybe like elbow bumping it and burning yourself. But what you're gonna want to do is heat this up. You're actually gonna want to wait a while, so let's just wait until it cooks up. Now that the lovely, oh god, I need to stop looking for it. Now that your pan is all heated up and you got your fresh tortillas, you can just slap these babies on there and wait for it to heat up. Now, let's say you don't have an extra spatula. Do we have an extra spatula? Now that we have our extra dandy spatula, we can use it on our tortillas. Just slap them down on the thing. Wait for them to heat up. You should know when they're about ready when the tortilla starts to caramel up. As you can tell now that my tortilla's being stubborn. You see this? Come here, my trusty recorder assistant. You see how it has a nice caramel burns to them? You know, that just means it's nice, ready, and warm. So now should be about done. Slap this baby onto my cool retro orange plate. And slap another baby on there. Slap another baby on there. Now that we got our fine time, sexy, awesome, cool tortillas, we can start adding ingredients. It's time. I know it. Ben knows it. Sandra from her house knows it. That hobo that lives down the street knows it. These tacos are ready to be made. Let's do this. So here we have our awesome, sizzling, sweet meat, which is about 1 tablespoon of meat on a taco. So you just pack that tablespoon and you gently smack it onto your taco. Okay. Your usual out the store will take at least maybe from 15 to 20 minutes. When you should tell when it's about ready to eat. Now we're ready to add our ingredients. So now, start off with Ben's favorite, the beautiful, nice blend of cheese. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle this tablespoon of cheese on top of our pastor taco. Make sure we get all of that. There we go. Next, we're gonna start off with our sour cream. And here we go. Just want to gently dab some sour cream on top of this. Should come out very nice as soon as you squeeze the heck out of your taco. Might need a little assistance from our friend Spoon here. And just dab it on there. There you go, man. Next off, we got our teaspoon of salsa. So what you're gonna want to do is salsa is very liquidy, so you can easily just throw that salsa on there. Sprinkle it on there as coolly as you want. Maybe you don't have to sprinkle it on there really cool. I'm not a cool kid, but if I were cool, I'm pretty sure I'd sprinkle it on pretty cool. Next off, we got our cilantro. Lastly, sometimes you can just smell that sweet cilantro. Think about your life, where your kids are gonna go after they grow up. But anyways, you just dump this cilantro on your taco and zoom in up in here. Zoom in up in here. Come on, Mike. Look at this beautiful, nice Al Pastor Alejandro Ben Sandra taco. I know what you're thinking. It's probably one of the best tacos ever made. And you're absolutely right. So now, and lastly but not least, is, man, you just gotta eat this sucker. You ready for this, Ben? You know what? Ben has been such a nice, amazing, cool, sweet, awesome, adorable, cheese, cheddar, cinnamon, apple assistant that I'm gonna let him take the bite.
Alright, so let's see if this taco's good.
Yum, yum. Ben approves. So now we're back, guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time. We're going to be punching dolphins.
So many things that I could say, but I'm sure it would come out all wrong. You got something that I can't explain, still try and let you know. That first summer we spent, one we'll never forget.